All right, now this is all my people that's not in Philly anymore who miss snow. Look at how it just came down. Been snowing about 3 hours now, and yeah, it's already covering. I mean, out here shoveling and everything. You know how we do it. Everybody's out here shoveling. You know, this is for all the people that miss the snow. You miss snow. This is snow. This is what snow look like. People that live in California and never see snow. This is snow. See that white stuff falling out the sky? Yeah.
It's
See,
too heavy to bring to the door.
this is what Christmas is supposed to look like. This is Christmas.
He is crazy.
I don't tell you this, but I do. That's why I know what to do.
Yeah. See, that's a snow plow. Y'all don't see that nowhere.